In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage watchlists in Robinhood. Creating watchlists helps you track groups of stocks or ETFs in one place, so you can compare movements at a glance and stay organized without cluttering your portfolio. To get started, open the Robinhood app and head to your dashboard. This is the main screen where you see your portfolio value, your watchlists, and market news. Make sure you're on the dashboard so you can access the watchlists panel. Next, look for the plus icon near your watchlists. It sits alongside your existing lists. Tap or click that plus symbol to start a new list. You'll be prompted to name your list. Pick something clear and specific like tech stocks or energy watch. You can also add an emoji if you want a quick visual cue, for example, a rocket for growth names or a factory for industrials. Keep names short so they're easy to scan. Now add stocks to your new list. You can do this right from the dashboard by searching for a symbol and selecting it, or from any individual stocks page. When you're on a stock page, tap Add to Lists, then check the list you just created. This doesn't buy shares, it simply bookmarks the stock for tracking so you can follow price changes, news, and basic stats in one place. Repeat that process to build multiple lists for different categories. You might group by sector, strategy, risk level, or time frame, whatever makes your research flow smoother. Separate lists help you compare like with like and keep speculative ideas away from long-term holdings. Whenever you want to tidy up, use the three dots next to a list to edit, rearrange, or delete it. Editing lets you rename a list or adjust the emoji. Rearranging changes the order your lists appear, putting your most used lists at the top. Deleting removes the list, but not any positions you own. It won't sell or affect your portfolio, it only clears the watch list. That's all there is to it. Open your dashboard, create a list with the plus icon, name it, add stocks with add to lists, repeat for different themes, and manage everything from the three dots menu. With a few thoughtful lists, you'll scan markets faster and make more deliberate decisions. As always, double-check tickers before adding them, and remember this is for organization and research, not financial advice. If the interface looks slightly different, it may be due to app updates, but the plus icon and three dots menu remain the keys to creating and managing your watch lists. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.